Hi guys, abusing Karan Johar is not the answer. It's not the right thing to do. I was very sure I don't want to make another video, but then when I have something to say, I'm very vocal about the things that I believe in. So if I have something to say and till the point I don't say those things, I feel it's wrong on my part. I feel if I'm not standing up to something which I feel is right, then yeah, I don't feel good about myself. So I thought I rather make this video and just say it, so I can put my point forward. I feel blaming one person and abusing one person and making one person uh, feel so horrible is not the right thing to do. That's basically the entire like contradicting the entire idea of what we started with. You know, to start with, the problem was that we all were talking about how Sushant Singh Rajput was made to feel so cornered. People stopped picking up his calls, and he was made to feel alone, and he was made to feel like he was not treated rightly. Uh, and to fight for something like that, or to talk about something like that, we are doing the exact same thing to another person, which is not right. You are calling Karan Johar names. You're just contradicting your own self, and that is not the right thing to do, because you're making another person feel exactly the same way how Sushant was made to feel. So cornering one person, making him feel bad about himself or herself, these are not the solution. Like, this is not the right thing to do. So please, guys, don't do it, because you don't know how it can affect a person. No matter how right or wrong we might feel a particular person is, that's a discussion for like, that's a separate discussion. But this is not how it needs to be done, or it should be done. uh, I read somewhere yesterday, which said Karan Johar is hijde ko ban karo. What the fuck, man? Like, this is 2020, the world we live in. Ek to you're making hijra sound like a derogatory word, an abuse, which clearly is not. And secondly, there's a difference between a person being gay and a person who's hijra. And thirdly, these are personal things, man. You have no say in something like this. This is such an awful thing to say and do. This is at every level. It's wrong, no matter how right or wrong the person might be. This is not something you say to a person. It's derogatory, it's mean. And you are a part of the problem if you say something like that, or if you do. On other hand, you saying things like support a Nawazuddin Siddiqui, ban an Arjun Kapoor. No, why? Like, again, you're dividing people. The idea is to come together, to learn, to be there for each other. It's not, the idea is not to divide and segregate. Fighting nepotism is fighting the idea behind it. Behind that thing is that is about not giving power to one person to make another person uh, like follow their dreams. Or so like, this is an entire separate thing. This is not like Arjun is a brilliant guy, so doing that to someone, like, again, you're dividing. This is not the right thing to do. This is not uh, the right approach. So right now is time. I totally understand. I've been having a lot of discussions with my friend. I understand right now is a time. I'm not someone who should be judging anyone right now, because we are all going through so many emotions right now that sometimes we end up doing something which is wrong, but the intent is right. But this is the time we need to introspect, and need to be responsible, a little responsible for the things we say or write on social media. Just think twice before you belittle, you make a person feel bad. Don't even if you feel the person deserves it or doesn't deserve it, it's not our say, it's not our right to be personal and be mean and be, yeah, be cruel to another person, because the idea is to start being kind and understanding. The idea is to include each other in niceness, in happiness, in everything like which is positive. The idea is not to, because एक इंसान को बुरा feel हुआ तो make another person feel bad. That is not the idea. uh, don't segregate people, don't divide, don't say like, okay, ban this film because this is XYZ director or producer or actor. That is not the right thing to do, because there are hundreds of people, they've worked very very hard, like the Light Dada, Sound Dada. I know they've got their monies, but then it's like an entire process of people working together in a film. It's not the right thing to ban a film because you don't agree with the ideology of a particular director or an actor. The there are ways to fight these things or talk about these things, but just make sure you choose the right ways. Don't be mean, and don't make a person feel bad. This is not the right time, and this is never a right time for that. It's not nice to make someone feel bad, no matter if you believe in their ideologies or not. Don't be harsh on people. If someone has done wrong, you can be the one who can be kind.